Hey guys, it's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a very special toy to open for you guys. Today we are going to open Hatchimals. But I just want to tell you something. 2 years ago I did a video and I did Hatchimals. But the Hatchimals were the different kind that you had to rub the purple heart and to make it pink and then crack it open and you see the toy inside. But this, you have to pop it out. You have to pop out little Hatchimals. And plus, here, let me show you the back. There have little food Hatchimals. Food Hatchimals. See that? It's so cute. On the back, it also has some on the front there, a little front. See? And on the top it says Cosmic Candy. Hatchimals Collectibles. Secret Snacks. 1 dozen. 1 dozen. Okay, let's open this up. So we have to rip out this cardboard here. And I got my trusty scissors. And also for those younger kids, be careful with scissors. They can be very sharp. They can be sharp and you can hurt yourself. So please be careful. Oh, that was loud. Sorry. Look at this. We got the catalog. Let's open it up and see what's popping here. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Wow. And even has some on the back here, like that. So let's see what we get from the catalog today. Oh my gosh. You guys, Hatchimals have gone crazy. Look at that. That is so cute. Oh, do not. Careful with the eggs. Gotta be careful. Look at that. It is so cool. The ones that look like this are sparkly, but these ones are not. So they're mystery. See the little question mark right there? That means it's a mystery Hatchimal. So let's see here. Okay, so it said you're supposed to pop these out. Okay guys, so I've got an adult to help me pop it out because I didn't pop it out straight. And guess what? As you can see on the back of the cardboard, they're a limited edition. See that? And the Hatchimal that we got was a limited edition. It was this little one. This one right here. Wait, it says Secret Pandu. Oh, Secret Pandu. I do not know what that means, guys. Completely do not. Okay, let's set this little guy right here. Let's clear the table just a little bit like this. Let's set this little guy right here. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, let's open the next one. Let's open this one. Oh, right. Whoops, sorry. Sorry, guys. I forgot to do the other exclusive. These are really... Oh, I did it. Hooray. I did not need help. Look it. It's in a little cup. And this one's in a little cupcake liner. Little cupcake. And this... See, so we've got this little guy. And it looks like he's in a mug. Look it. It looks like a little coffee. Aw, I wonder if it's hot chocolate. Coffee or hot chocolate. See? And the mug has stars and waves all around it. That is so cute. Okay, let's put him right here. Okay, guys. So now let's open up the egg. Oh my gosh, guys. So my mom was helping me, and it looks like you have to crack them open. So let's crack them. Oh boy, they're actually pretty easy to open. Who do we get? Who do we get? Who do we get? He won't come out. Hold on a minute. Let me help him out a little bit and help our little tiny Hatchimal come out. He just won't come out. Oh my goodness, come out. Oh my gosh. You guys, that is so cute. See that? Oh my god. That is so pretty. And its wings are huge. Seriously, its wings are so huge. Oh my gosh. And the best part, look, it can twist its head. I've never seen a Hatchimal twist its head before. This is my first time. Wow. Oh, I can see it's turning pink a bit. Is it? I don't know. Oh, it's a soft spot. Okay, got it. I got like so excited. I'm like, yes, I cracked it open. Hiya! Oh my gosh. Ah! These are like the easiest things to open. Oh. Good thing the Hatchimal didn't fly out. Oh, we have triplets. Oh my god, we got triplets! Oh, look at them. Look at it. Oh my god. Ah, they won't even stay. They won't even. Ah, at least this one can stay. Can that one stay? They're not even staying. So let's stack them together. Now, oh, the heart has little holes to put them on. And done! Little triplets. So cute. Oh, I love Hatchimals. They're just the best. Oops. Forgot to clear the table. Let's put the little shells and board. Let's put the garbage right there. Okay, now let's rub the heart. Hold on. It's already a bit cracked. Oh yeah, it's cracked already. Ugh. Hold on. Let's see it turning pink. See it turning pink. This. And yes! Got it. This is so cute. You know, this is like, it's like in cracking open an egg actually from a hen, but a chicken's egg is not pink. It is not pink, people. It is brownish. I don't know. I don't know what color. Maybe you should tell me in the comments, guys. Tell me. I need to learn science. I need to learn science today. I shall. What is this? What is this little guy? There's a paper. It came with a sticker. That is so cute. Hold on. Oh, look at him. This is the cutest thing ever. Oh my god. And let me show you a little sticker. It looks like a space lollipop. I don't know. But it looks like a space lollipop to me. Like that. Okay, let's open the next one. Now we're on to the ones that you're... Hold on. Hold on a minute. What are you supposed to do with this one? Oh, you're supposed to peel this. Ah, okay. I get it. Did not see that you're supposed to peel this apart. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Look at that. Look at it. Oh my god, that is so cute. Okay. Now, oh, you're supposed to crack this one too? I thought you weren't supposed to crack any of these, but it looks like you are. Oh, wow, I'm happy. Well, I'm happy. Yes, Hatchimals are still like Hatchimals. Yeah, maybe you're supposed to crack all of it out. Get out. I'm trying to free this Hatchimal. It's a yellow one, I'm just saying, it's yellow. Okay, so my mom helped me again because it was a bit complicated. And I just want to say, guys, this is so cool because look, you can open it like a house. It's like a little house. Peekaboo! Little window. Ah. Oh, it's so precious. It got a little chocolate ice cream on its head. I think it looks like a sheep to me. Ba, ba, hippie, 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 hip. Looks like a little chop, little thing right there. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to mention, guys, that each one of these, when you peel off the little sticker, it has a little color wing picture. Oh, and guys, so the old Hatchimals that they used to do, they used to have little speckled spots, and the color would tell you which, like, for example, if it was from the meadow, it would have maybe like green dots. I don't remember, but something like that. And this one, I don't know, but do any of you like squirrels? Because this is the type of squirrel that I think you like a lot. Its wings, again, its wings are the huge, like seriously, the hugest wings in the whole entire world. Like, oh my god. Sorry, oh my gosh. Oopsie daisies. Let's open this one now, this purple one. Wait, what is that? Oh, that is so cute. It's like a little ball. I don't know what it is, but it looks kind of like a mouse. A round mouse. It has these like little horns on it, and it looks like it has makeup. Dude, are you a pop star? Pop star mouse. Pop star mouse. Let's sing a song. Pop star mouse. Na, 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 na. Oh my god, that is cute. Okay. Let's open up the next one. This one has purple little picture. I do not know what that means. Oh, geez. Oh, well, you were tough. Oh, I saw. It's a squishy. It is squishy. It's a hamburger. I saw it in the catalog. Its name begins with like a hamburger thingy. See? Oh, cute. Little rubber hamburger. No. And let's give it a big squish. Squishy! Squishy, squishy, squishy. It's a squishy, it's a squishy. Squishy, it's so squishy. This is probably one of my favorite ones. Because it's squishy. Okay. Oh, oops. Forgot to put that one away. This one has this light green little wings. Let's see. Oh, whoa. A snail. Aw, cute little snail. She looks so happy. That's nice. Oops. There we go. Look how cute. Okay, let's put her to the side now. The garbage to the side too. This one has this, oh, dark purple. Oh, it has a little pillow on it. Maybe it's sleepy? I don't know. Is it? Wait, what is it? It's another gummy one. Even the wings are rubber. Oh, wow. That is interesting. It looks like a dinosaur? Yeah, that's a dinosaur. Aww. It's so nice. Wait, hold on. Test real quick. Let me see if these wings are rubber. They are. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, these guys are buddies for sure. And the last one. The wings are light blue. It has a diamond. Hold on. This is the cutest poodle in the whole wide world. Like, the wings are huger than the other huge wings. Oh, this is the sparkliest thing ever. If you guys are not sleepy, you should take this and be like, and you'll all be like, and she'll sing a song, me, and then you'll be like, like whole time, like, meep. You'll sleep like a baby. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna read to you all of our Hatchimals names and where they're from, and about their wings too. So the first one we've got is a squirrel, and she is from the cinnamon cloud category, and her name is Cinnamon Squirrely. Put it right here. Next we've got the poodle, and she is from the bubblegum black hole category, and her name is Bubblegum Poodly. Yeah, that's right. So next one we've got this little guy, and she is from the chili constellation category. Get it? Chili, like your chili. Ice cream is chili. Ooh, so chilly. And her name is Chili Unique. A little heard there. Next one we've got is our little bear, and she is from the Nutty Nebula category, and her name is Nutty Hummingbear. Put it right here. Next one we've got is Nutty Pandora, and she is also from Nutty Nebula. Another one we've got is our little dragon, and she's from the Gummy Galaxy category, and her name is Gummy Draggly. Yeah, it's Draggly. Okay, and next up we've got our little kitty, and she is from the Sweet Stargazers category, and her name is Sweet Kitty Can. Let's put little Sweet Kitty Can right there. Next up we've got, last one on this page, we've got our little sheep, and she is from the Cotton Candy Comet category, and her name is Cotton Candy Leo Rioli. I'm just gonna say it's Rioli. It's a hard name. Okay. Next, these are the ones from the back page. Our little triplets are from the Treat Trios category, and their names are Marshmallow Treat. Put them there. Our little snail is from the Lunar Lollipop category, and her name is Lunar Snailtail. Cute. Next up, we've got our little our little cupcake, and she is from the Secret Snacks category, and her name is Secret Pandu. Secret Pandu can go here. And last but not least, we've got from our koala from the 1 dozen category, and her name is Secret Koala Bee. Okay, guys, I had such a blast of opening Hatchimals with you. Now, the very last thing we've got to do, of course, I've got to tell you my favorites. So, of course, one of my favorites are the little triplets. And my other favorites, of course, are the little squishy bishies. Squishy guys. And these two also. And, let's see. And, of course, these two. And this. Yeah, I guess pretty much I love all of them, but I have to say the best ones are the squishies and the triplets. They're just amazing. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. Click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell button to get a notification whenever we post a new video. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. See you next time. Bye!